Welcome. In front of me I have LG NanoCell TV, and today I will show you how you can enable or disable the auto volume. So you have to tap on the settings icon on your remote control. Next you have to go for the all settings. Right now switch to the sound and then simply move to the additional settings. When you are here we have to pick the volume mode, and here we can enable or disable the audio volume. And there we get the description that the gap between the sound volumes of the program and the program is automatically set to watch the TV program with a consistent volume. And here we can also pick the volume increase amount from the low, medium or high, and also we get the description. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.